As I move through Kano, I'm always fascinated by these ancient mud walls they have everywhere. And today I want to make an effort to go inside to see how the houses really looks like beyond the walls. Let's see. Glass walls everywhere. Tanuma. Aha. Yo. Ooh. Okay. Like I told you guys, I'm always fascinated at these brick wall houses, and I always wonder how the inside looks like. So today I get a chance to enter inside, and this is how it looks like. So see the walls. So nice. What's this one? What's this? Faka fan.
Yes.
And this is fun. Oh, see, that's so lovely. Okay, and then the up patch. So here is very, very cold, I guess. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the gate, eh?
Yes.
Door. So this is the door. How it looks like. Gate. Okay, so this is what it really looks like beyond the world. Walls like see everywhere. Beautiful mud house, eh? Look at this dongoyaro tea everywhere. It's planted everywhere around here. I was told that this tree, say they use it to treat malaria. So you actually boil it and then I think mixture with other leaf, then it's actually used in treatment of malaria. All right, and there's so many of it planted around here, all around this place. So many of that tree. There are mud houses everywhere. Everywhere. Sanu Dayaki. Okay. How much full your tank?
7,000.
Eh? 7,000. This small keke? Wow. Wow. Fuel is so expensive right now in Nigeria. And in most part of Nigeria, this tricycle is the major source of transportation, but it's even more popular in the northern Nigeria. So how much you buy now? 100 naira go carry you go? Sano. Okay. So you find people selling fuel by the roadside. So right now school is not on section, so kids have to indulge themselves with some extracurricular activity like playing football. So we are currently in Tada community in Kano, northern Nigeria.
Ka gani tana busa in za ka ta koma ta
dan muga ci
da zamana
ni zan yi ta take
ka gani
Okay.
gashi nan
Come, take all of them, okay? Hey, everybody. Now I'm exhausted trying to play football with these kids, man.